Hi everyone, my name is Amano. In this video I'm going to explain the role of zero among the numbers that elementary school students learn. Let's get started. What is zero? Zero. Zero is not simply a symbol representing nothingness. In mathematics, zero plays many important roles. This video will explain them in an easy-to-understand way. 1. The role of zero as a placeholder. In the decimal system, zero indicates that a particular place value has no value. By using zero, we can distinguish between different values such as 1, 10, and 100. For example, consider the number 102. This number indicates that 1 is in the hundreds place, 0 is in the tens place, and 2 is in the ones place. If there were number 0, it would be written as 12, which represents a completely different number. There will be chaos. 0 is essential for correctly representing place values. Let's look at an example from everyday life. Consider packing 102 apples into a box. 3 kinds of boxes are available. One large box holds 100 apples, one medium-sized box holds 10 apples, and one small box holds 1 apple. The number of boxes needed to hold 102 apples is as follows. 1 box to hold 100 apples, 0 boxes to hold 10 apples, and 2 boxes to hold 1 apple. The number of medium-sized boxes can be expressed using 0 to accurately represent the number of apples. Even if the medium-sized boxes are not used, no mistake can be made when tallying the number of apples by stating that 0 boxes are used. In such a case, it would be inconvenient if 0 was not used. 2. The role of the additive identity element. An identity element of addition is 0. An identity element is that, when operated with another element, does not change the result. For any number a plus 0 equals a holds true. In other words, 0 is a special number that does not change the value when added. For example, 5 plus 0 equals 5. 100 plus 0 equals 100. Because of this property, 0 is called the additive identity element. 3. The role of 0 on the number line. On the number line, 0 is the reference point that separates positive numbers from negative numbers. It is important to recognize the position of 0. Numbers greater than 0 are positive numbers. They are to the right of the 0 position. Numbers smaller than 0 are negative numbers. They are to the left of the 0 position. 4. The role of 0 in multiplication. Any number multiplied by 0 equals 0. Multiplication is the operation of repeatedly adding the same number. For example, 3 times 4 is to add 4 3 times, that is, 4 plus 4 plus 4. Then, what about 3 times 0? This means adding 0 3 times. In other words, if you add nothing, the answer is 0. No matter how many zeros you have, if you add them, you have nothing. It can also be explained using mathematical properties. There is a law in mathematics called the distributive law. A times open parenthesis b plus c close parenthesis equals a times b plus a times c. Using this law, a times 0 equals a times open parenthesis 1 minus 1 close parenthesis equals a times 1 minus a times 1 equals a minus a equals 0. A times 0 equals 0. Therefore, multiplying any number by 0 is 0. Also, using the commutative law, a times 0 equals 0 times a equals 0. Therefore, multiplying 0 by any number is 0. 5. The role of 0 in division. The content of this section is a bit complex. Please listen carefully. Division by 0 is not defined because it causes mathematical inconsistencies. For example, if 5 divided by 0 equals a is 5 equals a times 0. However, any number multiplied by 0 is 0, and the impossible equation 0 equals 5. Therefore, dividing by 0 breaks the rules of mathematics. Conversely, dividing 0 by any number other than 0 results in 0. For example, 0 divided by 5 equals a is a times 5 equals 0. This means that a is 0. Whether the divisor is 6, 7, or 8, the result is the same. Their quotients are all 0. If the divisor is non-zero, then 0 divided by any number is 0. In summary, here it is. Dividing any number by 0 is not defined. Dividing 0 by any number other than 0 results in 0. Conclusion. 0 has several meanings and important roles. Understanding them is helpful for learning mathematics. 0 can be considered a great invention in the world of mathematics. When teaching the role of 0 to students, it is effective to provide examples from daily life.